What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today we are back inside the machine, and I want to show you guys how to do the reverse kick drum effect as heard in the box by Roddy Ricch. So if you haven't already, please do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn on the bell notification so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's tutorial, which is the reverse kick drum effect as heard in the box by Roddy Ricch. All right, so step number one, we want to find a good 808. The sample that I found today is going to be a modified version of the Zay 808. Another great 808 to use is going to be the Spins 808, something in that realm. All right, so before we get started, I want to let you guys know that I did change the BPM to 117, and I've also changed the polyphony to 1. And by changing the polyphony to 1, basically that allows me to have one note playing at a time. So in other words, we don't want the 808s running into each other. We just want one note playing at a time. So the next thing that we want to do, we want to change our grid to 164. So I'm just going to come down here. I'm just going to tap 7 on my keyboard, and that's going to change my grid to 164 here. All right. So the next thing that we want to do, we're going to go ahead and hit W. And I'm just going to draw in my note on the 808 here that we want to affect. I'm just going to draw in right about here. It's fine. It can be drawn anywhere on this grid here. Doesn't really matter. But for now, I'm just going to draw it in right here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to hold down Option. I'm just going to hit the arrow down. I'm just going to drag it down to where I think it's leading up to, maybe like about right there should be good. And then I'm just going to come in here and I'm just going to change the pitch of these here. So I'm just going to move that up. And I'm just going to do that for each one of these until I get all the way to the top here. So that is looking good. And we are almost there. Is that right there? Perfect. So basically you want to have something that looks like this as a crescendo. And then I'm going to go ahead and play this so you guys understand what it sounds like. So the effect is almost sold. So the next thing that we want to do, we want to change the velocity. So what we can do, we can come down here. If your velocity is not showing, just click this button so that it shows. And then we're going to take our pencil tool. We're just going to draw in our velocity notes. So we're going to start at 0, then kind of crescendo it up here. And that should be good enough. And now let's listen to it. And so that's how you do the trick. I hope you guys found some value in this tutorial. If you did, as always, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. It's your boy Young Fizz, and we will see you on the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we're out.